Daegu is one of the largest cities in South Korea, located in the southeastern part of the country, and serves as the capital of North Gyeongsang Province. The city has a population of approximately 2.5 million residents, making it the fourth largest city in South Korea after Seoul, Busan, and Incheon. Daegu is known for its hot summers and mild winters, with an average annual temperature of around 14 degrees Celsius (57 degrees Fahrenheit). The city has a rich history that dates back over 2,000 years, with evidence of human settlement in the area during the Three Kingdoms period. Daegu is famous for its role in the textile industry, earning it the nickname Textile Capital of Korea. The city played a significant role in the development of the Korean War, serving as a key location for U.S. military operations. Daegu is home to several universities, including Kyungpook National University, which is one of the top universities in the country. The city is known for its vibrant culture, featuring a mix of traditional Korean customs and modern urban life. Daegu hosts several annual festivals, including the Daegu International Opera Festival, which attracts artists and audiences from around the world. The city is known for its historic sites, such as the Daegu Yangmyeongsi Museum of Oriental Medicine, which showcases the city's history of traditional medicine. The Seomun Market, one of the oldest traditional markets in Korea, offers a variety of goods, including textiles, food, and crafts. Daegu is famous for its local delicacies, including galbi-jjim, braised short ribs, and makjang, grilled beef intestines. The city has a robust public transportation system, including a subway system that connects various districts and suburbs. Daegu is surrounded by scenic mountains, such as Palgong Mountain, which offers hiking trails and stunning views of the city. The city is known for its cherry blossoms, with many parks and streets lined with beautiful cherry trees that bloom in spring. Daegu has a vibrant nightlife scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and entertainment venues catering to both locals and tourists. The city is a hub for technology and innovation, hosting various tech companies and research institutions. Daegu was the site of a major MERS outbreak in 2015, which led to heightened public health measures and awareness in South Korea. The Daegu Art Museum, opened in 2011, showcases contemporary art and hosts various exhibitions throughout the year. The city is also known for its historical architecture, with several well-preserved traditional houses and buildings. Daegu has a strong sports culture, particularly in baseball and football, with local teams that compete in national leagues. The city is home to the Daegu Samsung Lions, a professional baseball team that has won multiple championships. Daegu hosts the annual Daegu International Marathon, attracting runners from around the globe. The city is known for its unique fashion scene, with many local designers and boutiques showcasing their work. Daegu is also recognized for its commitment to sustainability, with various eco-friendly initiatives and programs in place. The city's public parks, such as Dalseong Park, provide residents with green spaces for recreation and relaxation. Daegu is a major educational center, attracting students from across the country and internationally due to its reputable institutions. The city has a rich musical heritage, particularly in traditional Korean music, and hosts various cultural performances throughout the year. Daegu is known for its diverse population, with a mix of locals and expatriates contributing to the city's cultural tapestry. The Daegu National Museum houses artifacts and exhibitions that reflect the history and culture of the Gyeongsang region. The city has a thriving coffee culture, with numerous cafes offering unique blends and atmospheres. Daegu is also known for its street food scene, with vendors selling everything from tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes, to hotteok, sweet pancakes. The city's subway system is one of the most efficient in South Korea, featuring clean and modern trains. Daegu has a number of annual music festivals, attracting both local and international artists to showcase their talents. The city is home to the largest indoor ice skating rink in South Korea, which hosts various sports events and public skating sessions. Daegu is known for its friendly and welcoming locals, who often take pride in their city's rich heritage and culture. The city has several beautiful temples, such as Dongwasa Temple, which is famous for its stunning architecture and serene atmosphere. Daegu has been recognized for its efforts in promoting public health and wellness, with numerous fitness facilities and parks available to residents. The city is also home to a variety of museums, including the Daegu Science Museum, which focuses on science and technology education. Daegu's climate is influenced by its geographical location, with the surrounding mountains providing a natural barrier against harsh weather. The city has a strong sense of community, with various local organizations and events aimed at fostering connections among residents. Daegu has a vibrant art scene, with local galleries and theaters showcasing the work of emerging artists. The city has a number of heritage sites recognized by UNESCO, reflecting its cultural significance. Daegu is also known for its beautiful night views, particularly from the top of Palgong Mountain. The city has a variety of shopping districts, ranging from traditional markets to modern malls, catering to diverse tastes. Daegu is known for its strong emphasis on education, with many residents prioritizing academic achievement and lifelong learning. The city has been a host for various international events, including the 2011 World Championships in athletics. Daegu has a number of parks and recreational areas, providing residents with opportunities for outdoor activities. Daegu's skyline is marked by modern skyscrapers, blending contemporary architecture with traditional elements.